when I joined ICAW way back then, it wasn't as though I planned it. It sort of happened by chance. But I guess things happen for a reason. And why it connected with me was because I think the principles and the ethics that go through the profession resonated with me. I've always believed that you've got to be, you've got to say what you mean and mean what you say. Integrity to me is paramount. You basically get this one chance to build your reputation, and it can take you years and years. It's taken me most of my life to build myself to the point where people who know me know that they can trust me and they can believe in me. And it can take many years to build that, but all it takes is just one negative, bad experience, one mistake, and the whole thing comes crumbling down. So I know we have a lot of very young people in the audience who are looking at starting their careers. And, if you were to ask me, what would I say, one word of advice is, as a winning behavior and attitude, is be true to yourself and really think, what do you want in the long term? Because that is what's going to drive you. That is going to give you that positive focus to move forward and, really embrace integrity as something that you practice on a daily basis. It's not like, oh, when I do this project, I'll have integrity, but when I'm doing this other thing with my friends, I won't. It has to be in everything. It's basically part of your life, because that is how people will see you, whether it's in your personal life or in your professional life. And the minute you step out of it, and let's face it, in this very connected world, you cannot hide, right? There's always a mobile phone somewhere recording you. There's somebody doing some secret video of you, whatever. Just basically live your word and really mean what you say. Walk the talk at the end of the day, because that is the one thing that has carried me through everything that I've done, whether it's in business, whether it's with friends, with family, is they know that there's this word that's there, trust. And that is what you really want to be known for. When you've established that brand, then you can really do anything, and people will connect with you, will want you there because they know what you bring to the table.